Well, just one of those perfect spring days. I mean, if you had to look it up in the dictionary of what a spring day means, I think it would mean sunshine and 65 degrees, and here we are.
Yeah, so, right out of the pages of Webster now. Let's go ahead and take a look at the details here. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. Not only are we mild, not only are we sunny, but the humidity is nice and low. And so with that comes dry skies, no rain falling, not expecting any through the rest of the day. But I mean, what a change too. Also, typical on a spring day like this would be big swings in temperatures from what we had this morning to what we're experiencing this afternoon. We started off the morning frosty cold, Taunton at 30, New Bedford at 31, 40 in Newport, and 33 in Westerly. And we've already climbed 25, 30 degrees many areas. 61 now in Westerly. Providence is at 62, and Smithfield's back to 57. Boston is at 61, and CityCam showing just all that sunshine. 62 there. Winds have picked up. It's a mostly northerly wind, and I expect it to shift to more of a west and northwest wind in the afternoon. But notice the humidity extremely low, under 20%. In fact, up to our north, central Massachusetts actually under a red flag warning for this afternoon. Not in our area though. We're at 62 from Robert in Fall River. He describes it as beautiful. Jim in North Smithfield, bright sun and 57, and Kelly in Westport 60. She says sunny and breezy. Well, high pressure responsible for delivering all of the beautiful weather that we have. That high sitting directly across the northeast, controlling things, keeping the air dry. It actually promotes sinking air, which will stabilize the atmosphere. So noontime today and beyond will take you into this afternoon, and this is how the picture looks. The big surface map here, low pressure up over Canada. There may be a weak backdoor cold front that'll try and swing through our area tomorrow, and that'll knock the temperatures down a little bit from what we're experiencing this afternoon. But even Thursday is still a very nice day. This is 9 o'clock in the morning. We're watching this slow moving system and front that'll eventually try to swing in. Now, the warm air never makes it. We're going to have an easterly wind once the rain starts on Thursday night and Friday, and it's going to keep us very chilly. Noticeable changes in the temperature. But some rain still off to our west as late as 5 o'clock in the evening on Thursday. It's not really till after midnight where the rain will be beginning to move into our area. And at 6 o'clock Friday morning, pack your umbrellas for that Friday final work day or school day, as we do look to see some rain. And see this little blip of pink? Some of our computer models are indicating that enough cold air will come in, especially in the higher elevations north of us in, say, the Worcester Hills, southern New Hampshire and Vermont, to see some wet flakes mixing in. And we're even watching here to see if we could see a few snowflakes mixed in. Probably Friday morning would be the best chance of seeing them. This afternoon, 66 at 1 o'clock. Hard to believe we're talking about possible snowflakes later this week. 3 o'clock, 68, 5 o'clock in the evening at 65 degrees. So I have us a little bit cooler in Newport. We do see some localized sea breezes developing. Block Island close to 60, 68 Hope Valley, dry, sunny and breezy in Coventry. And I have us in the mid to upper 60s in our northwest suburbs. Beautiful day here. Southeastern Massachusetts about 56 in Hyannis and 67 in New Bedford. It's going to be another chilly night down into the upper 30s and low 40s for the morning hours. Quick warm up again tomorrow, but highs in the lower 60s. Increasing clouds late in the day, and again some rain in store from Thursday night through Friday and even Saturday. Now rainfall totals right now from those 2 days of wet weather coming in around an inch, which does not would not be enough to lead to any additional river or stream flooding, but it is a situation that we'll watch when we talk about 2 consecutive days of rainfall around here, especially in light of all the recent flooding. You can get your updated forecast live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar 24 hours a day on the Eyewitness News Pinpoint weather station, Cox Digital Cable Channel 125.